Welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. TVJ Sports has been reliably informed that former Manchester United star Mason Greenwood has completed his switch of allegiance from England to represent Jamaica and is now awaiting receipt of his Jamaican passport. Jermaine Brown tells us more.
The development comes almost 1 year after news broke that Mason Greenwood had formally requested a switch of allegiance from England to represent Jamaica. The process had been delayed by the absence of a particular document requested by the Passport, Immigration and Citizenship Agency (PICA) from Greenwood's British-born mother, through whom he qualifies to represent Jamaica. Greenwood's grandfather is Jamaican-born. The 23-year-old, who plies his trade for Marseille in the French Ligue 1, played only one competitive match for England. It ends months of speculation as to whether Greenwood's camp would complete the process for him to represent Jamaica. While not denying this development, the JFF declined to comment on the matter. It is now hoped that Greenwood will be available for Jamaica's final round of CONCACAF World Cup qualifying, which starts in September. Jamaica's Reggae Boys are in Group B alongside Trinidad and Tobago, Curacao and Bermuda. The Jamaicans will play away to Bermuda before hosting Trinidad and Tobago in the September window. And the Reggae Boys are seeking to qualify for the FIFA World Cup for only the second time in their history, with Jamaica's only appearance at the FIFA showpiece being in France in 1998. Jermaine Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.
Thanks, Jermaine.